to talk to you about our new feature, the PodOps AI blog. This is going to be a quick episode because I had to turn my space heater off. I'm in Baltimore. It's very, very cold. It's 8 degrees at the moment, but the space heater is really loud, and obviously all the sound picks up on here. So we're going to do it quick because I'm freezing, and so is Teddy Pickles. So our new AI blog feature is available within the system. We haven't sent out the official announcement because we're still adding some little features and tweaks and putting together all the help documents, but it's almost all ready to be published as far as help docs, but the system's all ready to go. You can find it in the left navigation. It says AI blog, pretty simple. When you go in there, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the audience and settings tab. Within there, you can define who your ideal audience is. So you're creating a persona for who would be listening to your podcast or reading your blog. You can set the age, gender, location of where they're ideally located, their education, and then you could put in keywords for their occupation separated by commas. So for instance, mine says entrepreneur, creator, podcaster, influencer, small business owner. You can see that I'm reading it right off the screen in the system. Then you have the psychographic section, and we put in default content for you in case any of this seems overwhelming or confusing so that you're not starting from scratch. But you can enter values and beliefs, goals and aspirations, challenges and pain points. You also have an online behavior section. And within there, you can enter what you think the search queries your ideal persona or user would be inputting into Google or Bing, what their content preferences are, and even their preferred platforms. So are they on TikTok? Are they on X? Are they on Facebook? Are they on PodOps? And then what are their reasons for engaging online? And then you would save that. And so this tells the system who to write content for. And then on the main tab where you have the all posts section, you've got a title field. And here's where you put in your prompt. So my default prompt I keep going to, I don't know why, is Taco Tuesday tips. I think somebody need a taco badly. Or maybe I'm just looking for like summer vibes, maybe a trip to Mexico, which would be amazing right now because it's warm there. So you can put in, whatever your Taco Tuesday tips, and then it's going to write blogs based on that persona or that person, their age, location, and all that stuff we just talked about and that you put in there. You also can just have it generate titles for you. So when you hit the generate titles button, it's going to give you 3 titles. You don't have to have it generate the full blog each time. And you can also do a custom blog. So if you do custom, it's going to open the blog window and it's going to have the fields within the blog blank. So if you need something special and you're writing for maybe a secondary persona, you can put in keywords, adjust the age, gender, location, and kind of do it from scratch. So you can always tweak these even in a blog that's produced for your audience, but custom lets you to set it at the time before it produces the blog. So it gives you a lot of control. And then you have 3 states. When a blog is created, it's in draft mode. If you publish it, it's in publish mode, and then archive. So if you archive it, it's not necessarily deleted, but it's in the system in a different folder. So there are different tabs for all of those items. The average blog is about 1,000 to 1,200 words. They do appear when published on your PodOps website. So what'll happen is it tabs your episodes and the blog posts into 2 different tabs. So it doesn't impact your episodes whatsoever, but it makes your podcast website that much more SEO rich. Now, we are in the process of rebuilding the podcast website. So if you met me at PodFest or Podcast Movement, we've talked about that. We're going towards a WordPress experience. But for this exact moment, we needed a place to make sure that we got them onto your websites. So we added it in so you can start using it. You can start building out your content. And then when we release the new websites, you'll be able to kind of go crazy with customizing the format, look, and feel. You can also export it. So if you have your own WordPress site, you can take the content. Today you have to copy and paste. We are looking at a WordPress integration to make that easier for you. I don't have a date on that, but once we have a date, I will definitely share that for you, or share that with you, I should say. It is an add-on, I will say that. So again, this is a new feature, but it costs money to produce the content. So you'll see that everybody's on a free plan by default. You can test the title feature for free. We tried to make it affordable, so you can do on the lowest tier plan, it's a monthly option. It's $9 a month, and that would give you up to 10 blog posts in a single month, and that's month to month. So you can cancel anytime, keep that pretty simple. It also can automatically generate those for you each day just to make it really simple. Um, so far, the most popular plan has been the $19 a month plan, which is 60 blog posts per month. Um, if you send me an email, this is how I'll know you listened to the episode. Shoot me an email at rob@thepodops.com. I will send you a code, and that will give you 50 free credits. So that's how I'll know you actually got to the end of this episode. And I didn't put that in the description so that you can't skip to the description and get the code. But yes, very excited about this new feature. It was highly requested, especially after BCast went out of business last year. Everybody was saying how much they wanted this type of feature, how it really helped them with producing content and getting SEO, or helping with their SEO within their website. So let me know if you have questions. Help docs will be out in the next day or so, but the tool is in your account. You can start using it now. And just like everything, you don't have to have a podcast on the platform to use the tool. Everything is mix, match, and plug and play. As always, happy creating. Let me know if you need anything.